It's that time for us to go ahead and decorate the outside for winter. So welcome to my channel, you guys. Welcome back for those of you who are returning, and welcome to those of you who are new. Today we are only going to be concentrated on my front porch and decorating my front porch for winter. I don't necessarily decorate for Christmas. I decorate for winter, so I decorate for the seasons. So you guys are going to get a chance to follow me along as I get my front porch ready to bring in the winter season. Here we go. Isn't that bow cute? I got that from the Dollar Tree. And that tree I got from Hobby Lobby, 75% off. And they complement each other perfectly. Like I told you guys before, go check out the video where you see me design all my lanterns that I put out here on the porch. I love the way that they turned out, and everything that I put inside of them came from the Dollar Tree. So once again, don't spend a lot of money. Go to the Dollar Tree, get what you need, especially for things like this, for stuff you're just putting inside of lanterns or little knickknacks you're putting inside of your bowls and things like that on the table. Dollar Tree, lifesaver for your budget. So here we are. Everything is done. And of course, I like the way that it turned out. I love the pillow covers I got from Amazon. They're perfect, so I'll be able to use them again next season. I love everything that I put into my lanterns. Everything was from the Dollar Tree. I love the little gift box that I put out there on my porch, my tree, my bow. Again, I did not spend a lot of money for this stuff. The wreath, I already had that. I had that from last year and I just reused it for this year. The rug was already there. I purchased that in my fall decor video and I used it again. The lanterns I already had as well. I just repainted them black, took everything that was out on the inside and just bought everything from the Dollar Tree and redid them for my winter design. The deer came from the Dollar Tree. The lantern sitting beside it came from the Dollar Tree. So I loved how everything turned out. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you on the next one.